Look up, stare into the dark. What do you see? Stars, galaxies, nebulas, endless, silent space. But there's something out there. Something invisible, something powerful. Something that has confused scientists for more than a century. Something we call a black hole. If you ask people on the street, what is a black hole? Most will say it as a hole. A dark hole in space, a cosmic vacuum that sucks in everything nearby. A portal to nowhere, a monster that hunts stars and planets. That's what movies say, that's what stories say. That's what we used to think. But it's wrong, completely wrong. Today, we uncover the real truth. Black holes aren't holes. They are not empty, they are not doorways. They are not gaps in the universe. They are objects, cosmic objects. The most extreme objects in the entire known universe. Let us start with the name. Black hole, it sounds like a hole. Dark, empty, endless, but names can be misleading. Black holes are full of matter. Matter, crushed into a density our brains can barely imagine. Let us make it simple. Think about our Sunday. It has huge 1.3 million Earths could fit inside it. It has 330,000 times the mass of Earth. Now imagine taking all that mass, all that matter, and squeezing it. Squeeze it smaller, until it's only about 6 kilometers wide. That is a black hole, same mass. Tiny size, unbelievable density. Density is the key. Density creates gravity. Gravity rules the cosmos. The more mass you pack into a small space, the stronger the gravity. A black hole's gravity is so strong, it breaks the normal rules of space and time. Let's talk about gravity. On Earth, gravity holds you to the ground. You jump, you fall back down. On the Sun, gravity is much stronger. You would weigh 28 times more than you do on Earth. But a black hole gravity crosses a point of no return. That point has a name, the event horizon. The event horizon is not a solid surface. It is not a wall, it's a boundary. A line in space, cross that line, and nothing can escape. Not light, not radio signals. Not stars, not planets, not even the fastest spaceship we can build. That's why black holes look black. No light comes out, so we see a dark spot. A dark spot that looks like a hole. But it is not a hole, it's a shadow. The shadow of an extremely dense object. What's inside the event horizon? At the very center, a singularity. All the black hole's mass. Crushed into a tiny point. Infinite density, zero volume. Our normal laws of physics stop working here. They bend, they stretch. They almost break. This is the real heart of a black hole. A dense core, not an empty hole. Now you might ask, how do these objects form? Black holes are born from stars. Big stars, really big stars. At least 20 times the mass of our Sunday. These stars live fast, they burn bright. They burn hot, they shine for millions, not billions of years. Then their fuel runs out. No more nuclear fusion, no more outward pressure to fight gravity. Gravity takes control, the star collapses inward. Fast, faster than any explosion you can imagine. In less than a second, a star, millions of kilometers wide, shrinks down to a tiny point. The outer layers blast outward. A supernova, a cosmic explosion, so bright it can outshine an entire galaxy for weeks. It is one of the most powerful events in the universe. And what is left of the core? It becomes a black hole. A star dies, a black hole is born. That is the cycle of cosmic life and change. Let us break the biggest myths about black holes. Myth number 1, black holes suck everything nearby. False from far away, a black hole acts just like any other object with the same mass. If our sun suddenly turned into a black hole right now, Earth would keep orbiting exactly as it does. No change, no sucking, no doom. Only things that cross the event horizon are trapped. Black holes don't hunt the universe. They just sit there with extreme gravity. Myth number 2, black holes are portals to other universes. False, they are dense objects, not doorways. No shortcuts through space. No time travel, no jumps to other dimensions. Just matter, gravity, and extreme physics. Myth number 3, all black holes are the same. False, there are different types. First, stellar mass black holes. Smaller ones formed from dead big stars. About 5 to 100 times the mass of the Sunday. These are the most common black holes we know. Second, supermassive black holes. Huge, massive, millions to billions of times the mass of our Sunday. They live at the center of almost every galaxy, including our Milky Way. Our galaxy has one. Its name is Sagittarius, A multiplied by. It has about 4 million times the mass of the Sunday. And it is a cosmic object, not a hole. Third, intermediate mass black holes. In between, not too small, not too big. We're still learning more about these. Black holes come in different sizes, but none of them are holes. Now you might ask, if we can't see them, how do we know they exist? Great question. We can't see black holes directly. No light comes out, but we see their effects. We see stars orbiting nothing. Orbiting fast, only a huge hidden mass can pull that hard. We see hot gas spinning around nothing. Glowing bright, heated by extreme gravity. This spinning gas is called an accretion disk. It is a ring of matter around the black hole. It glows so bright we can detect it from Earth. We took a photo, the first ever image of a black hole. M87, multiplied by a bright, glowing ring. A dark center. That dark center is not a hole. It is the event horizon shadow. Proof that a dense object exists there. We detected gravitational waves. Ripples in space-time. When two black holes collide, they send waves across the universe. We measure those waves, we confirm black holes are real. Real objects, real collisions. Real cosmic events. Black holes are not monsters. They are not threats, they are part of the universe's story. They help us understand gravity. They help us understand space. They help us understand time. They test the limits of our physics. Every time we study black holes, we learn something new. Something that changes how we see the cosmos. Think about this. Every black hole started as a star. A shining star, a star that lived, burned and died. Then it became something new. Something dark, something powerful. Something we're still trying to understand. Stars live, black holes form. Galaxies grow, the universe evolves. Black holes are everywhere. There are millions, maybe billions in our galaxy alone. They are quiet, they are hidden. But they shape the universe around them. They hold galaxies together. They influence how stars form. They are key pieces of the cosmic puzzle. We used to think black holes were holes. Now, we know they are ultra-dense cosmic objects. What will we learn tomorrow? What other secrets wait in the dark? What other truths will we uncover? The universe is full of surprises. We explore, we observe, we learn. That's space exploration. That, the joy of understanding our cosmos. Black holes aren't holes. They are cosmic objects. Extreme, mysterious, amazing. And now you know the real truth. The next time someone says black holes are holes, you can tell them the real story. You can share the science. You can share the wonder. Space is full of amazing things. Black holes are just one of them. They remind us how little we know. They remind us how much there is to discover. They remind us that the universe is stranger and more wonderful than we can imagine. We will keep looking up. We will keep exploring. We will keep uncovering the secrets of the cosmos. Because that is what we do. That is the spirit of space exploration. Please like, comment, share and subscribe to the channel.